Hello friends, hi everyone. It's been a long time, since I posted a video in YouTube. So hope everyone is doing good and staying safe at home. Today I would like to give a quick update to all my audience. So at last I would able to make out a plan for my India vacation, and so I'm traveling on this weekend. So I don't know when I will post this video, but I'm traveling on 11th of December at 1:20 p.m. Today I came to get my RT-PCR COVID test done at Saskatoon drive-through location. So I came around 12:35 and it's 12:40 right now in the afternoon. Usually, this drive-through test starts at 12 p.m. to 7:30 or 8 p.m. in the evening. So there are around 8 hours of testing going on for each and every day. So I thought, so my flight is on 1:20, so I should get my COVID PCR test completed before 72 hours. So I thought, if I go by 12 o'clock, so that I can get tested at 1:20. But after coming here, if I see the cars, there are around 250 to 300 cars ahead of me in the line waiting for COVID testing. So I don't know whether I could able to make it till 3 p.m. So I don't know. Let's wait and see how much time it will take to get tested. There are some travel restrictions still going on in India till December 31st, I think. And in Canada, the travel restrictions will be there till 21st of January 2021. So due to travel restrictions, if you make out a plan for your vacation or for your traveling to India or any other place in the world, so you have to follow some COVID rules, coming to India, since my destination for this occasion is in India. In India, the travel restrictions are something like this. If you are traveling international, if you are an international traveler, you have to present your self-declaration at the time of immigration, and you have to get your COVID-19 negative RT-PCR test only RT-PCR negative test. If you don't have RT-PCR negative test, then that is fine. That is absolutely fine. Then you can get it done in Delhi airport, or maybe at Hyderabad also we have COVID-19 laboratories. You can also get your COVID negative test done there. But the point is, if you get tested in India, either in Delhi or Hyderabad, by chance if you got negative, that is well and good. You can directly go to your home and then you can quarantine for 14 days. So unlikely, if you get positive tested for COVID-19 at the airport, they will be sending you to paid quarantine for 7 days, and from there you have to quarantine for 7 more days at your home location. So I would like to avoid that. So what I thought is, let's go here in Saskatoon and get my COVID negative testing done here and report that in Hyderabad. And in Hyderabad, there is a separate line for COVID-19 negative test people. They will be sending us home with 14 days home quarantine. And afterwards, going home, on the first day itself, I will do my COVID-19 test results in separate private laboratory and make sure that my family is safe with me. That's about COVID testing, guys. And apart from that, there is one more thing you have to do 72 hours before you board your first flight. So that is something, Air Suvidha. There are 3 forms in Air Suvidha. One is the COVID-19 declaration form and self-declaration form, and there is one more thing to track our application, I think. So we have to fill up that forms before 72 hours of our flight. Self-declaration is mandatory, and if you are going to test for COVID results in your current location and you want to travel, so you have to provide the details there. It's an optional actually, so but if you get it done, that will well and good. But that is an optional form. Self-declaration is something which is mandatory. If you forgot to fill in the self-declaration form, don't get scared. They will be giving a form during your flight before you land, and you have to fill that manually and you have to present that form. Yeah, I told you about COVID testing, and I told you about Air Suvidha, and the last and final thing is about Arogya Setu app. So when you land in India, right, you must have Arogya Setu app installed in your mobile phone, and otherwise, right, so they will not allow you. So make sure you install that Suvidha app. So this is where right now I am. There are around, 300 cars ahead of me. This is one such line, this is the building, I think, where the COVID is getting tested, and the cars are surrounded by the building. So I'm just towards the back side of the building right now. So it's like a circle, rectangle, right? So I would be some 310% or 350%, I don't know, but I'm sure that there are around more than 300 cars ahead of me. Guys, it's been almost 2 hours since I came here, and you can see that white building, right? That's where actually the test is conducted, and I'm 60 to 70 cars away from that building, and I'm in 3x zoom now. Let me zoom out here and show me the line actually. So this is the line actually on the road, right? There are a lot of vehicles on the road, and this is the line. So hopefully it will get completed in another 1 hour, and we'll let you know. There is a good visibility from this place. You can see, right? That's the white building where the test is conducted, and this is the line, and this is where I am right now. Yeah, I came little bit near now. I have around 10-15 cars ahead of me, and you see, right, this is the days available for drive-through test and the time here. It's on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday 12 to 5:15, and Saturday and Sunday 8:30 to 4. This is the area inside the building, and there is a provision of parking around 20 cars inside the building, and I'm staying at position 1 here. And if you can see opposite of my vehicle, right, one person is getting tested. It's simple, right? It will be completed in 4 to 5 seconds of time, right? You will feel little weird, but it is quick enough. So once you are tested, you will be sent back, and results will be announced later in the site.